My name is Margie Sakamo and I work as a ramp service agent for London City Airport. So the main purpose of my role is to ensure the safe and smooth turnaround of aircraft arriving and leaving the airport. The role just isn't about baggage handling, it also entails marshalling, putting steps onto planes, making sure the right luggage reaches the right places, and doing checks around the plane to make sure that they leave the airport in a safe manner. I normally like to get in an hour before the shift starts so I can get myself ready and have a cup of coffee before the shift. I then plug into my radio and wait to be allocated to an aircraft stand. From then on, all our responsibilities are shared amongst our teammates. This could see us marshalling, chocking airplanes, putting safety cones around airplanes as they've landed, and connecting ground power to aircraft. So the skills that you need for this role are to be proactive, coordinated, and attentive. You have to be really safety conscious and rely on your teammates as they will rely on you. Problem solving is a massive part of the role, and as we're working in a very dynamic environment, it's very important to be able to work well under pressure and keep a cool head. My favorite part of the job would probably be engine startups. This is where we get to talk to the pilots before the plane actually departs the airport. We do security checks around the aircraft, and I'm literally the last person to ensure that the plane is in the correct order before it actually leaves London City Airport, which is a massive responsibility, but is also really rewarding. So my least favorite part of the job would probably be that it is very physically demanding. You could be seen to be carrying loads that are heavier than 30 kgs, but by following the correct procedures shown within training and by relying on your teammates to share the load, you could avoid injuries and carry out the job efficiently. We are given 3 weeks worth of classroom training where we go over the theory of being a ramp agent, and then after that we're taken out onto the ramp and assigned on-site demonstrators who for the next few weeks will show you how to be safe around an aircraft and how to work within the team. London City Airport is a bustling cosmopolitan community where everyone is treated with the same respect regardless of their job roles. If I could sum up my role in 3 words, it would be challenging, exciting, rewarding.